Hello, it's Filo. Welcome or welcome back. I usually like to include all my weeklies in my monthly bullet journal plan with me video, but this month, as you may know, I've had some issues with my phone, so I wasn't able to edit everything together in one video. And that's why here you will find the 3 remaining weeklies of June, but you can watch the plan with me video with the monthly setup and the first 2 weeklies linked up here or in the description. So if you haven't seen it yet, I recommend you pause this video and watch it first. In June, I tried some new weekly layouts, and this one was inspired by Bujo. I will link her Instagram account down in the description. So this layout is a mix of vertical and horizontal dailies, and I added a mini calendar and a weekly to-do list. For the days and the dates, I'm using my new clear stamps from Stationery Pal. By the way, as always, I will leave all the links to the items I use as well as my affiliate discount codes in the description below. So now I'm adding all these summer vibes to this spread to fit my monthly theme. The picture stickers are a little bit see-through, so I pasted them on light colored paper so that the colors are more vivid. When I was filming this video, it was raining a lot, but right now it's starting to get warmer and warmer, and I have to say that I really want one of these drinks. So tell me, what's your favorite summer drink? For me, it's piña colada. I'm adding a bunch of flower stickers everywhere, as well as a few summer at the beach themed stickers. And then I'm adding a stamp for the traveling vibe, and that's it for this one. For this next weekly, I'm going for an even less structured weekly layout, with the dailies kind of scattered around the page. Matching this style, I ripped some craft paper and pasted it around the page, and I'm not looking for symmetry here. I'm playing with my color palette, alternating the colors for my mini calendars or lettering the header. I always recommend you guys start filling the mini calendar before adding your dates, because I've messed it up so many times. And finally, the fun part, I'm layering some paper and stickers. For the stamps, you don't need to own every ink color in the world. You can just color the stamp with the brush pen depending on your color palette for this month, and it will match everything. For the last weekly of the month, I went with the symmetrical layout. For the header, I lettered June in a blue gradient, and I even gave it some white highlights to make it look a bit juicy. Then I'm pasting the craft paper at the bottom, kind of mimicking the sand. And that's where I'm adding my flamingos and other stickers. I will have a short trip in June, and if I'm lucky enough, I might have my first swim of the year in the Mediterranean. So tell me in the comments, what are your plans for June? Do you plan on going to the beach this summer? And now the flip through. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon with the next one. And until then, enjoy planning!